Welcome back to our channel where we provide valuable tips to help you keep your Windows system optimized and running smoothly. In today's video, we'll guide you through the process of using the Microsoft Remove tool MRT to scan and remove malware from your Windows computer. Let's get started. Step 1. Access the Microsoft Removal tool. The Microsoft Removal tool, also known as MRT, is a built-in security tool provided by Microsoft. To open it, press the Windows key and R on your keyboard. Then, in the dialog box, type MRT and press Enter. Click Yes. Next. Step 2. Choose a scan type in the Microsoft Removal tool. Windows, you'll be presented with 3 scan options: Quick Scan, Full Scan, and Customized Scan. Select the scan type that best suits your needs. Start the scan. Once you've selected the scan type and target, click on the Next button to start the scanning process. The Microsoft Removal tool will now scan your computer for malware and potentially unwanted programs. Review scan results. After the scan is complete, the Microsoft Removal tool will display the scan results. Take the time to review the detected threats and their severity levels. Then remove detected threats. To remove the detected threats, click on the Remove button. The Microsoft Removal tool will take action to delete or quarantine the identified malware or unwanted programs from your system. Then restart your computer. Once the removal process is complete, it's recommended to restart your computer to ensure that any remaining traces of malware or unwanted programs are completely eliminated. Regularly update and run the Microsoft Removal tool to maintain a secure system. It's essential to keep the Microsoft Remove tool updated. Microsoft periodically releases updates to enhance its malware detection capabilities. That's it. You've successfully used the Microsoft Removal tool to scan and remove malware from your Windows computer. Regularly running the tool can help keep your system safe and secure. We hope this tutorial has been helpful in guiding you through the process of using the Microsoft Removal tool on Windows. Remember, staying vigilant and regularly scanning your system for malware is an important part of maintaining a secure computing environment. If you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with others who might find it beneficial. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and tutorials. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and may your Windows system remain malware free.